Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your American Express bank to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to work on your budgeting and finances and you're banking with American Express. How do you actually go ahead and connect your American Express account to your Rocket Money app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner, then click on Linked Accounts, and then click on Add Institution. Now, a list of banks are going to appear here, in which American Express is one of them. So click on American Express, and then this software called Plaid is going to open up, and this is going to allow you to connect your American Express account to your Rocket Money app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Rocket Money account to your American Express bank. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.